going to the question 325. How many factors of a number of 181764? The factors, you have to calculate the number of factors. This is a bit important and some complicate lengthy oriented also, because it is expected for either CAT or bank level examinations, even SSC examinations also. Observe carefully. The number is 181764. How can we write this? If you divide with 4 and as well as 9, try to divide it. 9 fours are 36, and 36 into it become 5049. If you divide it again, try to divide 5049. This is become 4 9 as it is. If you divide 5049, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 9 1s are 561. Again try to divide 561. It become 4 into 9 into 9. 561, if you try to divide with either 17 or 11 or 3, these are possible only with the 3 numbers. So 3 into 11 into 17. So this is the answer. First to try to divide which having prime multiples only, because 4 is not a prime number, because we can write as 2 square. 2 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 9 can be written as 3 square, so that is also prime number. So this is 2 square, this is 3 square, and this 9 is also 3 square. This is 1 3. So having 2 square and 3 5 threes, 3 square, 3 square, and 3 5s, having 11 and 17 come. Now if you write, how can it you can be write it as 2 square into 3 power 5 into 11 into 17. Now what you have to do is powers increased by 1. So 2 square means it should be power increased by 1 means it will be 3. Next 5. 5 increased by 1 6. Next 11 power 1. 1 increased by 1 2. Next 17 power 1 increased by 1 means 2. Now you have to multiply these numbers. 3 6 are 18. 18 to 36. 36 to 72. That will be your answer. Again I am telling you, try to divide into a factors. First divide with 4 and again 9. It is 5049. Again 5049 divided with 9. It become 9 into 561. Again 561 divided with 3. It is become 3 into 11 into 17. So 9 is 3 square. Another 9 is 3 square. One more 3. 3 power 5. 11 into 17 as it is. 4 become 2 square. Now how many we have? 2 square. Square increased by 1, it become 3 power 5, 3 power 5, 5 increased by 1 6. Next 11 power 1, 1 increased by 2 2. 17 power 1, 1 increased by 2. So you have to multiply all the numbers. First convert into prime multiples, then increased power by 1, then multiply all the numbers. Your answer will be done. Okay na? Next going to the another question. If n is divided by 8, the remainder will be 6. If 2n is divided by 8, the remainder will be. This is looking like complicated but easy question. I will tell you two methods for this. Now coming to method 1, assume any number. First we are dividing with 8, the remainder will be 6. So I assume 8, if the remainder is 6, 8 plus 6 it becomes 14. I divide 14 with 8, 8 ones are 8, the remainder is 6, then first condition satisfied. Then if 2n is divided by 8, I assume n is equal to 14. Now 2n means it become 28. I have to divide 28 with 8. 8 3s are 24, the remainder is 4. This is one method. 8 3s are 24, the remainder is 4. Your answer is A. Sorry. Your answer is 4A. Now we will solve one more method for this same question. This is just a common method. Instead of substitution, they are making n as 2n. What will be the remainder in first case? 6. then 2n is equal to 12. If they are making 3n, remainder into 3. If they are making 2n, remainder into 2. First case remainder 6 they given, so double the 6, it become 12. Just to try to divide with the same number 8. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 4. Done. Our answer is A. Okay, now. So these are the questions, and one more question we left is unit digit 324. Unit digit is very easy. Unit digit represent last digit, rightmost digit. So here the rightmost digit in the first case is 143, that is 3, and the second case 9, so 3. In between we have a multiplication symbol, keep it as it is. Next 2, so into 2. Next last number 1, into 1. They are asking unit digits, consider last digits only. Now 9 3s are 27. For unit digit, consider last digit, that's it. Instead of 27 we have to consider 7 only. Now 7 2s are 14, consider 4. 4 1s are 4. So your answer will be 4, that's it. Okay, now if you understand, and to get a regular updates, like the Facebook page, I will post a question and I will post a solution on Sundays which are different from normal solutions, which are having shortcuts with concept and how to get solved within that time. Also we will discuss. Okay guys, thank you.